Prince William attended a service of Thanksgiving at St. Paul's Cathedral without Kate, Duchess of Cambridge. Prince William headed to central London alone this morning as his wife Kate is currently self-isolating after getting in touch with someone who later tested positive for COVID-19. The Duchess of Cambridge started her 10-day quarantine on Friday afternoon. Kensington Palace announced this morning plans for Prince William and Kate to publicly mark together the 73rd year of the NHS had to be dashed. A statement read, "Last week the Duchess of Cambridge came into contact with someone who has subsequently tested positive for COVID-19. Her Royal Highness is not experiencing any symptoms, but is following all relevant government guidelines and is self-isolating at home." Like Prince William, Kate has also been fully vaccinated against coronavirus. Kate and William were meant to attend together this morning a service of Thanksgiving at St. Paul's Cathedral dedicated to the NHS. Among other attendees, there were also Prime Minister Boris Johnson and the new Health Secretary Sajid Javid. This afternoon, following the service, the Cambridges were also scheduled to host a big tea with a few staff members of the NHS to personally thank them for their tireless work. Prince William, who had coronavirus in April 2020, will be able to carry out these key engagements alone as, according to government guidelines, he is not required to self-isolate. The Duke and Duchess of Cambridge have been very vocal in their support to NHS staff since the beginning of the pandemic. The pair supported the launch of the 24/7 platform Our Frontline, which provides support to key workers struggling with their mental well-being. They also got in touch with several different hospitals and staff members to hear about their experiences and learn more about how the pandemic had had an impact on the mental health of frontline workers. In December 2020, Kate and William became the joint patron of NHS charities together. Last year, the royal couple also celebrated the 72nd birthday of the NHS by attending a socially distanced tea party with NHS staff at Queen Elizabeth Hospital in Norfolk. Prince William's events paying tribute to the NHS come after the Queen penned a letter in which she announced her decision to award the NHS the George Cross. In her message, the Queen said staff past and present at the National Health Service has worked with courage, compassion and dedication for 73 years. She also said, "This award recognizes all NHS staff, past and present, across all disciplines and all 4 nations. Over more than 7 decades, and especially in recent times, you have supported the people of our country with courage, compassion and dedication, demonstrating the highest standards of public service. You have our enduring thanks and heartfelt appreciation." The George Cross was created in 1940 by the Queen's father King George VI. It recognizes acts of the greatest heroism or the most courage in circumstances of extreme danger. This award was issued by the monarch to the NHS on the advice of the George Cross Committee and the Prime Minister.